Hi everyone, welcome back to class. So now we're going to dive into the W's. What are the W's? The W's are all the questions you have to ask yourself whenever you dive into a new script. Let's hear what Miss Dawnnie has to say. Okay, on to the next thing. Our next lesson is I ask you a lot of questions. I think I'm in my list. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to ask you all of those right now, all right? Number 4 on my list, who are you? Who are you? I know you're you. Like if I were taking this class, I'm Miss Dawnnie, right? But who are you in the commercial? Are you the best friend? Are you the kid? What kind of kid? Are you the skater kid? Are you the teenager who runs away? Are you the really smart one? Are you the really happy one? Does the script give you a sense at all that you might be shy? And I'll talk to you more about script breakdown in television and theater classes. But for commercial specifically, you can just decide that right away on the spot with the very little script you have, okay? Who are you? For yourself, it doesn't say in the script, all right? So make it up. If it doesn't say who you are, bring it to life. Be yourself. Or if this seems like something your best friend would be doing, you are your best friend. I'm Samantha now, right? And that just gives you a way to breathe life into it because you're imagining a real person you know and how they would think and feel and act in this situation. So that is my next one. Answer these questions. Aha. Okay, who are you? Who are you talking to? You're never just talking to the camera. And you're never just talking to the casting director because those two things will make you nervous. Like right now, I'm imagining you. I'm imagining my students in the camera and I'm talking to you. So who are you talking to? And to bring life to it, quite often it's your mom, your best friend, your sister, brother. Who are you talking to? And it might be clear from the script itself who you're talking to. Maybe in the script, it's a teacher and a student. So you could always imagine me, right? My students imagine me often when they're acting because, I don't know, I'm not nervous with me and hopefully they aren't either. So take me with you into the room in your imagination. All right, so we've got who are you, who are you talking to, where are you? This is a big one. It's a big secret as to how to get all the butterflies banished out of your tummy. Where are you? Right now, I'm actually in the studio, in the TADA acting studio. But let's say that I am doing a scene or a commercial where it's for suntan lotion and I'm at the beach. What do I see around me? Behind the camera, way off in the distance, I hear and see the ocean. I smell the salt air. I hear kids playing. Where are you? Are you in this commercial? Are you in your kitchen? Imagine all the things around you. And all of a sudden, all of those people in the room at the audition or in your classroom, it all disappears because you're focusing on your where. Your scene in the, your where in the scene or commercial or script, right? Where are you? What do you want and how do you want to affect the person you're talking to? All right, this is the character answering. What do I want? Suppose it's a commercial about chocolate and I'm talking to my mom. I want her to buy me chocolate. If I want her to buy me chocolate, there are many ways that my lines can come out. I can beg, I can hint. You certainly won't demand it. If you demand chocolate from your mother, you think you're gonna get it? Not likely, right? So you're always trying to affect the person you're talking to. So right now, I want you to take a few minutes and I want you to think about that in terms of all of the little sections that you have circled. What do you want? Okay, so I'll give you another few minutes. I'll set a timer. You're gonna go through and you're gonna answer these things for yourself in writing in your script along the side, like the little margin. Sometimes I do that. So we wanna know, who are you? Where are you? Who are you talking to? And what do you want? There are going to be many things you want within the commercial, scene, monologue, many things. But let's start with the biggest one, the one biggest thing you want. Okay? And once you figured that out, I'll be right here and we'll begin again.
What a great class! I'll see you in the next video.